Want to make your CSGO pop and see those beautiful headshots in glorious vibrant detail? The secret weapon to brighter colors is right at your fingertips, the Nvidia control panel. Let's dive in. First, make sure CSGO isn't running and find the Nvidia control panel. You can usually find it by right-clicking your desktop. Once you've opened the control panel, look for the Adjust Video Color Settings with Nvidia option. Click on that. This is where the fun begins. In the next screen, you'll be asked how do you make color adjustments. Select with the Nvidia settings. Make sure the checkbox is selected. Now the real magic comes to play. You'll have sliders for brightness, contrast, and gamma, so tweak these to your liking. The most important setting is digital vibrance. For a starting point, set the digital vibrance slider to the minimum. Now, slowly increase the value of digital vibrance. Watch how the colors in the preview image intensify. Find a setting that looks good to your eyes. Be careful not to overdo it. Too much vibrance can make the game look unnatural. Everyone's eyes are different, so the best settings for you will be unlike anyone else's. Once you're happy with the look, close the Nvidia control panel, launch CSGO, and enjoy the enhanced colors. Add a better gaming experience. Remember to experiment and find what works best for you. Have fun fragging.